Well, I hate to break it to you, but you can't have this one right here because this one is actually sold to some of my clients and they wanted me to share it with you. So welcome out here to the far west side of San Antonio. But before we get into some of the juicy details here, my name is Brock. I'm a real estate agent right here in San Antonio, Texas, and I help folks just like you buy and sell homes all over San Antonio and the surrounding area. So if you're looking to make a move in the next few days, or maybe it's in the next few months, please do not hesitate to give me a phone call, shoot me a text, or send me an email, and I'd be more than happy to help you find a home just like I did with these folks right here. See, they found me on YouTube, they saw some of these videos, they decided to reach out, and we got them into a brand new house here. This is what they wanted, this is what meets all of their needs and criteria, so I would love to help do the same for you guys, but I want to show you this house. So we're gonna go through it in just a moment so you can see what it looks like on the inside. But if you want more information as far as incentive and pricing, please stick around to the end of this video. I'm going to be sharing some of that information with you. I'm also going to take you on a quick drive around the neighborhood at the end so you can see what it looks like. But for now, let's get inside and go check out this house. All right, y'all, well, thank you so much for sticking around, checking out this house with me. Now, if you have any questions about availability, incentives, pricing, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. And more importantly, if you are thinking, hey, Brock, I like this house, I want to go see it in person, then definitely please let me know as well. All of my contact information is down below in the description for you, and I would love to set up some time for us to meet in person. Come check out this house or any other house that you may have seen out there on the internet. So please don't be a stranger. Give me that phone call or shoot me a text, and I would love to help you guys out. So I just mentioned incentives and pricing. So let's talk about this community specifically. Again, this is Davis Ranch on the far west side of town, but this builder here, Syntex, they build homes all over San Antonio and the surrounding area. So if you don't want to be on the far west side, they've got you on the northeast side, the east side, the north side. They got all over. They just got communities everywhere, right? So they have some amazing homes all over town. But when it comes to pricing, this neighborhood specifically is starting at $255,000, and that gets you a 12,000 square foot house. Of course, that is the base price there. There's not a whole lot of options and upgrades to choose from. But typically, unfortunately, they say starting at one price, and the prices tend to be a little bit higher than that when they actually build and sell the home. So right now they do have a 1,500 square foot house that is currently available for sale. It is move-in ready. They've got that priced at just $315,000. So that is going to be the cheapest available house out here in this neighborhood. But if you're looking for a different price point, different size home, they've got all sorts of stuff out here in this community. And like I said, they've got communities all over San Antonio. So we can find different pricing, different availability. But on the incentive side, I know they were paying down some closing costs the last time I checked. But more importantly, they are buying down the interest rate, right? So I actually just checked their website before hopping on here, and they are offering interest rates down to 3.75% for FHA loans. I would imagine VA loans are the same, since usually VA and FHA loans have the same interest rates, usually a little bit better on VA in some cases, but I digress. So that is extremely low for right now. I mean, for the record, just so you can have a good comparison, right now the interest rates are in the low sixes. I think they're about 6.22% is what I saw earlier today. So 3.75 is drastically lower. It helps reduce that payment, makes it a lot more affordable, more comfortable for you guys out there. So I don't know how long this interest rate is going to stick around. So I would definitely act sooner rather than later. But if you are wanting more information on this home, any other homes, the other incentives, and just to see what the updated interest rate is, please give me that phone call. Let's get you into a home, get you to save some money. I mean, I know with VA and USDA loans, which some of their communities qualify for USDA, both VA and USDA loans have 0 down payment requirement as long as you qualify for those loans. FHA is only a 3.5% down payment. So you can get into one of these houses for pretty cheap. I mean, 3.5% of 300 is like $9,500 or something like that. That's a rough mental math there. So it's not a whole lot to come out of pocket, and especially if the builder is paying your closing costs. That's all you need to bring to the table to buy a house and make it yours. So again, let's act fast, take advantage of these deals while they are here. But if you haven't already, please go ahead and make sure to give me a thumbs up and like this video. And while you're there, make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon as well, so that you'll be the first to see another home tour or learn about living right here in San Antonio, Texas. So with that, I hope you have an incredible day, and I can't wait to talk to you guys soon.